Hey, how's it going, everybody? I know it's been a while since I've done a product review, but today for you, I have a specialized ring that was sent out to me. I do want to note most ring reviews that I do, I typically have the seller send it to me free of charge. This one in particular, I want to be straightforward. I did purchase it. It was only $10, so I thought I'd give it a shot. Now, this is a different style ring that you've never seen before on my channel. It's a aluminum wire with a really nice orange bead on top. I do want to point out though, however, before we get into the ring at all, I want to let you know some of the things that came with it. So I'm sure you guys probably know by now, but my name is Keith. The person who sent me this ring is Abby's Rings. I'll leave a link in the description down below at the end of the video. But essentially, she sent me a personalized thank you card, which was, I thought, very nice for her to do. So you see, it just says thank you, and then it says, thanks so much for supporting my small business. I hope you love your jewelry. Don't forget to share on socials to show additional support. With love, Abby. So now, I'm not sure if she sent that to me just because I'm a YouTuber and I review various products. I thought that was a nice little gesture, so maybe she might send that to everybody. Now, the one thing I do guarantee that she will send to everybody is obviously the ring, but also a little thank you package. And I love this design with all the cute little flowers on it. She says thank you in the middle. And now this is my first time opening it, so I'm opening it same time as you guys are saying it. So on the back it says, handmade, love it. Snap, tag, share, and review. We appreciate it so much. Now this is a rather new small business. So I just want to make sure I can show her as much love as possible. Especially for taking the time out of her day to make one of these rings. So let's take a look at some of the goodies we got. So it looks like we got a couple cool stickers. It looks almost like a galaxy type theme. That's kind of cool. It's like a banana and a squid together. I don't know if this is her own personal stickers, but I thought that looks pretty nice. Next we have the universe. It almost kind of looks like a alien type theme. A nice little matte finish. You can stick to your MacBook Pro or any type of computer you have. Next, it looks like we got a nuclear... Oh, never mind. I thought it was a nuclear explosion, which I guess you could have it this way and it could look like a nuclear explosion, so that's pretty cool. But it's actually a nice little mushroom. Next we have a thank you card. On the back, saying the same thing as I read you before in the thank you letter. When you support a small business, you're supporting a dream. Your purchase made my day. I hope this package brightens yours. I really appreciate your support. Nice little cute message there. And then this is her business card. So see, it says Abby's Rings. This is her inside the moon. So it's handmade, affordable jewelry. And this is her Instagram, abby's.rings. And in case you have a QR scanner on your phone or your tablet, here's the QR code you can scan. I'll focus on that real quick. Expecting this at all, but she actually sent me a secondary ring free of charge, which is pretty sweet. So this looks like it's a silver aluminum wiring with this really nice black and silver bead. I like the stripes that go all the way around, adds a nice cool accent. Now let me show you real quick what one of these rings looks like being worn. Very comfortable fit. The only thing I was worried about when I first had ordered the ring is that the wiring on the bottom was going to come loose and be very like jabby or poking into the skin, but that's not the case at all. It fits very smooth and snug. And I also like the fact that she went the extra step, and for the bead, because it has 2 holes on the side, she didn't simply just glue it onto the aluminum coil. She actually threaded it through, so that way there's almost no chance of it falling off. Now, I do want to let you know, because this is made out of aluminum wire, it's tarnish free. So that means it won't turn your finger green like some other metals. So that's a very nice feature, I feel like, because I've ordered some random rings before and they have turned my finger green because they're made of like a cheap material, but that's not the case with these rings. Okay, so each ring comes in this cute little pouch with a galaxy theme. You have some stars and the moon. Nice little gold and black design. So let's take a look in here and I'll show you the actual ring that I ordered. So now for the ring I went with in particular, I went with the black aluminum wiring with this orange and speckled bead. And I like how you have the aluminum wiring all the way around the base as well to create a nice little accent, showing off the bead in all its beauty. Now they also come in a gold or a copper color, depending on your personal preference. Now one thing that's really cool about these rings, and I don't know if anybody's pointed these out before, but because of how thin it is, you can actually double stack them to create your own unique design, which I think is pretty awesome. And that was my quick look at Abby's rings. Thank you so much to her for sending me these out to take a look at. I also appreciate the fact that she sent me an extra ring free of charge. I wasn't expecting that, but I'm very grateful. I do want to let you guys know that these are currently selling for $10, and she's actually running a deal where the more you buy, the more you save. So you can get like one ring for $10, or it might be 2 rings for say $15, $18. I'm not sure on the exact pricing, so you have to definitely message her if you want to pick one of these up. Like I said, this is her Instagram that you want to go to. This is the only way to get in contact with her because she doesn't have her own website currently. But hopefully in the future she will, as she grows her business, which I wish her much success in that. So now if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this. And as always, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.